was less to us than the cellar. If the bones like the attic, let them have it, let them stay in the attic. When they sometimes come down the stairs at night and stand perplexed behind the door and headboard of the bed, brushing their chalky skull with chalky fingers, and sounds like the dry rattling of a shutter. That's what I sit up in the dark to say.
The first time, I ain't even feel guilty. Never washed off, stayed bloody and filthy. Just laid there next to the kid all night, kinda soaking it all in and feeling alright. I wasn't even old enough to drive yet, it was hell. I had to put him on my handlebars and dump him down a well. I tried to feed off of that until I couldn't anymore. By my 16th birthday, my total had grown to 4.
I ain't afraid of you, but be afraid of me. Cause when the lights go down, it ain't no stopping me. Memories of my first real killing. They found her all tied up, just hanging from the ceiling. What I was feeling was just so dark and twisted. I couldn't believe I just did this. Now I'm stuck in my very own private hell. Will I ever do it again? Time will tell. I was in control until the blood was my first time. A bloody mess I had to clean up. It was my first time. I know this ain't right. It was my first time. I finally took someone else's life. Every time I lay my ass down to sleep, I pray the fog these memories cease. Bloody face and found a breathtaking. But the first, what was I thinking? Just a piece of rope and a pair of hands. I was a man, but she kept talking, man. Suffocation due to not breathing. I choked her for the very first time for no reason.
It was 11 on my clock, I remember that much. In the graveyard waiting for the dope man to show up. 10 minutes pass and there's still no sign. Just then off in the night, I see some headlights. A car rolls by driving slow and I don't know, I thought it was my folk. I ain't pulled a 44. They stopped the ride and started blasting. The first time I didn't pull the heat. Damn, this what happened.
I was in control until the blood was my first time. A bloody mess I had to clean up. It was my first time. I know this ain't right. It was my first time. I finally took someone else's life.
First time my knife touched skin and it ripped. Blood started flowing so quick I just couldn't quit. Kept stabbing till everything that I seen was red. The pillow, the blankets, the walls, and even the bed. One color dominating everything like contemporary art. Am I the killer or artist with bloody heart? Then I curled into a ball in the corner of the room, feeling like a creep in the light of the moon.
If I took this gun and put a hole in your chest, it won't compare to the first time I put someone to rest. Kinda like a dream, but on a nightmare level. Every time I think about it, I can still hear the shovel digging deep into the dirt to try to hide the pain. Knowing I got away with something I regret in the end. I really should've never done it, but fuck it, I did. I'm in. The first person that I killed was my first best friend.
I was in control until the blood was my first time. A bloody mess I had to clean up. It was my first time. I know this ain't right. It was my first time. I finally took someone else's life. Someone else's life. Someone